नमस्ते, वनक्कम भारतम चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं आपका श्रीधर राव।
Welcome to Vanakkam Bharatham channel. I am Sridhar Rao. Today we will compare the Indian stock market with the stock markets of China, Japan and America. Let's look at the performance of these four markets in the last 35 years. China has increased your wealth by more than 45 times in the last 35 years. However, anyone who invested in China in the year 2007 has suffered losses. Japan has not increased your wealth at all in the last 35 years. This is very surprising. America has increased your wealth by 18 times in the last 35 years. This number is less than the number of China. In the last 35 years, India has increased your money by more than 116 times. India's stock market has performed better than many countries. China's market has been very volatile. Over the last 35 years, it has given a growth of 11.5% per annum. However, from 2007 to 2024, it has given a decline of 3% per annum. All other markets have given good returns during this period. Japan's stock market has not given any profit for 35 years. The Japanese market fell drastically after 1989. And it started improving only after 2008. The performance of the US market has been average over the last 35 years. The US has given an average annual growth of 8.7%. India has performed well over the last 35 years. India has given an average growth of 14.5% per annum. From 1989 to 2008, China performed the best, while Japan sunk into recession. And India performed better than the US. After the 2008 crash, India has performed well compared to other markets. After the 2020 COVID crash, India has performed better than other markets. Thus, India has performed the best in the last 35 years, while Japan has not given any gains. The Indian rupee has been depreciating against the dollar. The American dollar has increased in value from 16 to 85 between 1989 and 2024. Even after considering this factor, India has outperformed US market by 16%. NSE's Nifty 50 and Nifty 500 have outperformed S&P 500 even better than BSE's Sensex. I think these four markets may perform like this in the coming 5 to 6 years. I believe India might perform best. Let us look at some reasons why India could perform so well. Bharath, India, now has a large share of young working population. Bharath, India, economy is mainly driven by internal growth. Please check out DR.ANKIT Shah's YouTube channel. He explains well the de-dollarization. He recommends potential business sectors for India's future growth. Manufacturing, agriculture, food processing, defense, aerospace, infrastructure and logistics, these sectors will grow. Innovation and entrepreneurship will be promoted in Bharat in the future. And countries of the global south like India will benefit from de-dollarization. The US will suffer due to de-dollarization. Manufacturing will falter. The dollar will depreciate and information technology business will suffer. China's population is aging, manufacturing will be down. China has huge dollar reserves, which will depreciate in value. Japan also has the same problems as China, but Japan will manage it better than China. We prefer investing in India for future growth. Where and when to invest in India's stock market? My thoughts for safe and long-term investment are as follows. Invest in select ETFs of Nifty 50, Defense, Bank Nifty, Manufacturing, EV, Healthcare, Small Cap, Mid Cap, etc. Plan for a long term of at least 5 to 10 years or even more. Stock markets are expected to crash in 2025 due to global interest rate changes and de-dollarization. Invest when there is a drop of at least 15%. For more on this prediction, check out DR.ANKIT Shah's YouTube channel. If the market crashes further, don't panic. Invest more. Keep some cash ready for this till the end of 2025. Beware of mutual funds. More than 90% of mutual funds underperform the index. Agents or investment advisors are often motivated by commissions. Beware of them. For individual stocks, study the business, market, government policies, competition, etc. Enter in dips. Invest small amounts over time. And always stay safe. This is from myself, Sridhar Rao. Please express your views in comments section in Indian languages and using only Indian language scripts.
Vanakkam, Bharatham.